It's raining, and it's also sunny. If you've never been to Mexico City, it's hard to imagine how simultaneously chaotic and calm a major city can be. It's like New York City had a baby with Los Angeles. It's got palm trees and traffic, people watching, and scrumptious food. There's the constant hum of too many cars and too much music. There's so much talent and money in one place. So much squalor and glamour, hustle and chill, trees and garbage, mezcal and vegan tacos, and the most chill mutts you'll ever meet. Some 700,000 Americans live in Mexico City, but don't get it twisted. Mexico City is a Mexican city through and through. Traveling to such a massive city can be a bit daunting. So even though I've been traveling solo for decades, I was a little bit nervous before my trip, and it's like my 5th trip to Mexico City, but I was still a little bit nervous. But once I got there, my nervousness morphed into excitement. Before I knew it, I was eating a succulent flor de calabaza appetizer and drinking a fresh margarita in a little cafe in Roma, just a few doors away from my hotel room. So I did a lot of walking while I was there, and really, people are just going about their business. People have their jobs, they've got their friends that they want to hang out with, they're going to the park, they're walking their dogs, they are going to brunch, doing all the things that everybody does when they live in a city.
Ya llegaron sus ricos y deliciosos tamales oaxaqueños.
I didn't really have an agenda for my trip to Mexico. I really just wanted to relax and eat good food. Eat good food, eat good food, and just explore. So that's what I did. I was able to go to Parque México on a weekend, and it was so busy and lovely. People were hanging out with their families, kids were playing soccer, people were taking dancing lessons, salsa lessons, music was playing, people were having snacks, and just dogs were walking around without a leash. It was just, it just felt very relaxed and very calm and free, and it was lovely. It was great to take a break from the States and from work, even though it was just for a few days. And if you're interested in traveling to Mexico City but are a little bit intimidated by its massive size, stay tuned.